The Porsche Macan has written its very own success story. Since its market launch in 2014, over 137,000 units of the compact SUV have been delivered in America, bringing in new customers to the brand in the process. Now, a new chapter is being revealed, further enhancing the Macan. Reaching US dealers starting early next year, the 2022 model year brings a host of significant enhancements and updates, making it more capable than ever. Exterior design is one of the most frequent reasons given for purchase by Macan owners. The 2022 model continues to answer this calling, with a new look to its front end with integrated cooling air intakes and front trim in body color. The rear of the car, which features a black diffuser that has been stretched upwards, stands out compared to the previous version. The side blades now feature a 3D, textured structure element, enhancing this area even further. LED headlights and standard sport design exterior mirrors complete the updated appearance. 7 new wheel designs are available, and the standard wheel size has increased to between 19 and 21 inches, depending on the model. Befitting its new position as the top model, the updated Macan GTS has a number of striking design elements that distinguish it from the other models in the lineup: 21-inch RS Spider design wheels in satin black, sport design side skirts, clear LED taillights, and a sport exhaust system with black tailpipes complete the look. Another core attribute of the Macan appeal is its emphasis on performance. To this end, all 2022 models feature a standard 7-speed dual-clutch PDK transmission, all-wheel drive, and powertrains that are more powerful than those of their predecessors. The Macan range begins with a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine that now delivers 261 HP and 295 pound-foot of torque, an increase of 13 HP and 22 pound-foot compared to the 2021 model it replaces. The result is 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.8 seconds when equipped with the optional Sport Chrono package, 0.3 seconds quicker than previously, and a top track speed of 144 mph. The Macan S is also equipped with a more powerful engine for the 2022 model year. Generating 375 HP and 383 pound-foot of torque, the 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 from the outgoing Macan GTS now sits under the hood of the latest S model, with 60 miles per hour reached from standstill in 4.4 seconds with the optional Sport Chrono package, half a second quicker than the 2021 Macan S. Top track speed is 160 miles per hour. The new Macan S also comes with Porsche Active Suspension Management, PASM, as standard.